Good morning. I thought I would give you some updates on what's occurred this week within the village. But first, I'd like to just mention to you that the pandemic is still here. The numbers keep going up and down. In Beecher, the last time I looked, the number was up to 23. It went up one within a couple days. I think that's sort of good news. It's going up very slowly, but bottom line is the virus is still here. I just want to remind you that if you go out, make sure you wear a mask, make sure you practice social distancing, and make sure you sanitize and don't congregate in groups. Furthermore, I think I want to give you some good news is at least right now there is discussion on how we're going to try and return back to somewhat of a normal day. It appears that they are talking about releasing things in a stage type setting. We'll know more as time goes on, but at least there's conversation to bring us hope that the light at the end of the tunnel is near, and we'll go on from there. With that, the 4th of July celebration. Two things came into play with the cancellation of the 4th of July. The first one has to do with public safety. Most of all, you, our customers, our 4th of July commissioners, and their volunteers are first and foremost in our minds to keep safe throughout this celebration if there were to be one. From what I understand and from what I see, although I hope to God that by July 4th the pandemic will be obviously easing up, from the experts that I've seen or heard from, the virus will still be here and could still affect some people. So public safety is number one. Number two, if you don't know it, the entire 4th of July celebration is funded by itself. The proceeds from that pays for the fireworks, pays for the bands, and pays for anything else that we have down at the park. Approximately 1 month ago, we would have sent out letters asking for financial donations to help us pay for the celebration that we give to you. It was the commission's thought, my thought, that it was the wrong time to ask for any type of financial donation from anyone. With that in mind, we were not sure about the future of the financial situation with the 4th of July celebration. So number one, public safety. Number two is the financial aspect. They felt it necessary that we'd have to cancel the 4th of July celebration for this year. If we didn't do that, we did not know what the future held for the 4th of July celebration for next year. While they do have a rainy day fund, they don't have enough money to completely pay for that celebration with any type of financial donation. With that in mind, we are exploring other aspects. There are two more celebrations coming up, which we hope will still continue. The Beecher Lions Club Summerfest and the Village of Beecher Sesquicentennial Celebration, which are about a week apart. We are hoping, as time goes on, we will know more. We hope that those celebrations will go on. And then at the same time, we are also considering if there's ways that we can tweak any type of celebration during the summer to try and help bring us back to our norm, if you want to call it that. I want to thank you. Keep up the good work, Beecher. You're doing a very, very good job. And with that, I'm going to try and see if I can get this to you so that we can And in case if that didn't come out, what the sign says, Beecher thanks all first responders, essential workers, teachers, healthcare, public works, anybody who has to work during this pandemic. We thank you. You're helping us, getting us through this. Take care, stay safe. My thoughts and prayers are with you. Bye.